Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you about my visit to Amsterdam. A bright sunny day in the capital city of Netherlands is the best combination to explore the popular tourist attraction in Europe. The city is crowded with immigrants and tourists, and it is interesting to know the expansion of the city over the years. So I did some analysis over the expansion of the city growth from being a small fishing village looking like a horseshoe shape to a big capital city which is today accommodating people from all around the world. The city center reflects the old architectural style of facades from a golden era, which makes this center more special than the other parts of the city. Back into the history, during the Middle Age, Amsterdam was surrounded by a moat called the Zingel, which now forms the innermost ring in the city and gives the city a horseshoe shape. If you are interested to see the Zingel Canal, you can check my other video on it. The big canal streets are connected with small narrow streets, and this one in particular is the red light area, the most popular street of Amsterdam. As you walk through the canal street, you will surely experience the Dutch culture in different ways, in the facades of the buildings, the people, the food, the restaurants, and the casinos. Having a different sight from one bridge to another with an exotic landscape around the canal is what Amsterdam is all about. And here comes the most awaited bridge, the world's first 3D printed bridge, which is offering the town a modern architectural look to the encircling historical context. So it is 12-meter long bridge and has the cutting edge sensor that basically can measure the real-time data of pedestrian traffic. It is fascinating to see that a museum has a passageway for cyclists. Literally, you are walking in between the museum. It's a national museum with the great art and history of Amsterdam, with a small garden on its side. Now that was a great walk through the city. Stay tuned for the next venture. Until next.